योर रेस्टोरेंट इज लूजिंग ए रेवेन्यू। अगर आपका रेस्टोरेंट रेवेन्यू लॉस कर रहा है, अगर आपका रेस्टोरेंट में प्रॉफिट मार्जिन नहीं है, अगर आपका रेस्टोरेंट अच्छा प्रॉफिट नहीं कर रहा है, बड़ा है हमारे साथ। दिस मानस फ्रॉम द हॉस्पिटैलिटी डेस्क अगेन। आज हम आए हैं एक नया टॉपिक लेके, जिसका बारे में अगर आपको पता चलेगा तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत बेनिफिट मिलेंगे। इसके लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए, तो आपको बस नोटिफिकेशन आते रहेंगे, तो आप भी हमारे साथ अपग्रेड होते रहेंगे। ठीक है, आज हम बताएंगे रेस्टोरेंट में रेवेन्यू लॉस कैसे होता है। अगर आपको रेस्टोरेंट में गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, चला जा रहा है, रेवेन्यू आ रहा है, लेकिन प्रॉफिट आपको नहीं दिख रहा है, क्या रीजन है आपको प्रॉफिट नहीं हो रहा है, ये मैं आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ, प्रॉफिट क्यों नहीं हो रहा है। ठीक है, देयर इज ए लॉट्स मेनी रीजन बिहाइंड ऑफ दिस। ओके, ए रेस्टोरेंट कैन लॉस रेवेन्यू फॉर ए वेराइटीज ऑफ रीजन। Okay, so I'll tell you what all the reasons are there for losing a restaurant revenue. So if you do all these things, if you focus all the points, all the things, you can boost your revenue. So financial and operational challenges of course always will be there for running a restaurant. Okay, like if your restaurant, a hotel, high employee turnover is there, your consistent hiring and training cost can be drain your profit. Poor inventory management system, food waste and theft lead to significant losses. Slim profit margin, average margins over around 6.2%, leaving little room for error. Raising food and labor cost. Okay, inflation and wages increase it into the earning. Service and experiences issues. Service and experiences issues, if it is there in your restaurant, of course your restaurant turnover will be less. You will lose the revenue for sure, 110%. You have to focus where you can boost your revenue. So this is much important. Wait times. Slow service can frustrate customer and reduce the table turnover. If you are giving very slow service to the guest, your guest will not come. You have to focus on speed service, okay, so that your guest will be very happy. All the guests will be leaving from the restaurant very happy. Okay, consistent food quality. The food which you providing today, the same food quality has to be there here and here and here, so that your guest will come again. Okay, you will get some new guests. Along with that, you will retain the old customer. Okay, if you are not doing that, your poor dishes drive away, repeat the business. Okay, bad customer service, rude or inattentive staff can thank your reputation. All right, if you keep some person who is not polite, who is not hospitalized, who cannot give good service, or he is not good enough for your restaurant, don't keep. They can make your all the reputation very bad. This is more important. You have to find a good people for your restaurant or a hotel. Next is marketing and visibility problem. Of course, your restaurant, if it is not visible in the market, so then people will not know either where is your restaurant. Okay, weak online presence is more important. If your online presence is very weak, then there is a problem. Without a website or social media, potential customer may never find you potential guests whoever want to come to your restaurant. How they will found if there is no social media account, or you are not there in you don't have any website and all. Ineffective marketing, like not investing in promotions or any kind of food festival. There has to be there some food festival promotion for the audience limit growth. Okay, next is neglecting the royal customer. If you neglect the royal customer, then there is a problem. You have to understand which customer is very loyal for your restaurant. Like you have to always focus on the new guest inside of the restaurant. The person who is coming new, you have to take her very separately, nicely. You have to give some gift while they're leaving from the restaurant, so that they will remember you, so that they will come again. See how you will retain your customer, which is more important. You have to make a list. So this is my customer, this is my customer, this is all the customer, loyal customer. You have to meet the guest. You have to meet the guest with some gifts and all, so that guest will feel, wow, people, at least someone is there in market is remembering us. They will coming to you again and again. That's called a loyal customer. Poor menu pricing. आपका मेनू प्राइसिंग बहुत सही होना चाहिए। अगर आपका मेनू प्राइसिंग ठीक नहीं है तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है। गेस्ट एक बार आएंगे, पैसा पे करेंगे, चला जाएंगे। इफ गेस्ट फील प्राइस इज हाई देन प्रॉब्लम। You have to take this point in a very serious way. Okay, you have to analyze it. Howsoever all the markets, hotels and restaurants, you have to check, you have to see what all are the pricing is there. You have to do the price comparison. Okay, so and also the location. If your location is very bad, then of course you will be low foot traffic or lack of parking in your restaurant or in your hotel. That can be reduced a customer volume, of course. So you must understand where you are located. Whenever you are planning to open a restaurant or hotel, you must first you have to focus on the location. Where is the location? Is this location is going to help you to get more revenue? Is this location is going to help more customer? Is this location is going to help you to bring up on a market level your reputation? So location is much important. Lack of touch adoption. Touch adoption is very important. If you are not doing any touch adoption, then what will happen? Your system will be slow down operation and frustrate guest. That can be frustrate a guest. Okay, so these all are the things always you have to focus. Whatever system you are using in your restaurant or hotel, it has to be very updated and it has to be very fast. Like when you're going to collect a payment, system is not working, it's taking time, then guests will get frustrated. Why so much taking time for just collecting a payment? You have to give so many options and your system has to be so fast. When guest is asking for a bill in your restaurant or a hotel at a desk, you must present the bill within a second. If you are not able to present the bill within a second, then boss, your guest can be frustrated. So these all are the things you have to be upgraded and you have to always keep the alternative options. Your system has to be the number one system in hospitality industry. There is a lots of system, there is a lots of software people used to use in hospitality industry. You must know what are the trending things is there. Alright. So dear all, kindly follow all the process for running a hotel or restaurant business. So these all are the reason is there your restaurant is losing a revenue. अगर आपका रेस्टोरेंट रेवेन्यू लॉस कर रहा है, अगर आपका रेस्टोरेंट में प्रॉफिट मार्जिन नहीं है, अगर आपका रेस्टोरेंट अच्छा प्रॉफिट नहीं कर रहा है, तो आप ये सारी चीज को फॉलो कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच, बना रहे हमारे साथ।